There's a myth about leaving corporate, that the moment you walk away, freedom automatically appears. More flexibility, more autonomy, more control. But what most professionals don't anticipate is this. Without precision, you don't leave corporate, you recreate it, just under a different name. If you're thinking about replacing your corporate income with consulting, here's what actually determines whether that move stabilizes or spirals. It isn't hustle. It isn't posting constantly. It isn't launching aggressively. It's positioning. Inside corporate, your credibility is institutional. Your title carries weight. Your company carries weight. Your role signals authority. Outside of corporate, none of that transfers automatically. And this is where most smart professionals stall. They describe what they do, instead of defining how they think. Consulting is not a service list. It's a lens. The professionals who successfully replace corporate income with consulting don't try to compete on availability. They compete on clarity. They narrow their focus. They refine their positioning. They define one specific transformation they are known for. Not 5, not 10. 1. That clarity reduces chaos. It shortens sales cycles. It attracts better fit conversations. And most importantly, it prevents you from rebuilding burnout in a new container. Because without structural positioning, independence becomes instability. And instability forces you into hustle. If you're in the phase where you're considering leaving corporate, or quietly building something alongside it, the real question isn't, can consulting replace my income? It's, have I defined a position strong enough to stand on its own? That's the work. And that's the difference between freedom that scales and freedom that exhausts. If you want help clarifying your positioning before making that leap, explore the Signature Program or a VIP one-to-one business coaching intensive. Because transitions aren't about escape, they're about authorship.